will gonna discuss our PPT presentation entitled Healthcare Access for Everyone. But before that, we will gonna introduce ourselves. First, I am Jambi Esteban.
I am Giselle Cancho.
I am Grande Pinlayan. I am Jupiter Hope de la Cruz. I am John Rediahan.
Introduction. Behavioral healthcare includes care for patients in around mental health conditions and abuse. Conditions help behavior change life. The literature recognizes the importance of the healthcare system effectively addressing behavioral health condition. Healthcare access ma'am is very important to the world because in this way we will care our own self with use medicine for example we will get sick with others then. The main problem of this study is one, income and socioeconomic status. Individuals who earn lower incomes tend to be without access to affordable healthcare, preventive care and specialty treatments. Two, less rural populations tend to have fewer patients and less access to specialized care and urban settings. This situation not only in the city, in the country of Barangay Durugan is not all store they have healthcare access like Mergisec and other medicine because not all people can buy the medicine because they have different socioeconomic status. That's why not all people can access healthcare. Healthcare administrative data are created at every contact with the health system, such as doctor visits, diagnostic testing, and hospital stays, and pharmacy dispensing. Also referred to as claims. These data are kept mostly for administrative and billing basis but can be utilized to the examining healthcare delivery health outcomes and healthcare experience. Healthcare experience ma'am is satisfied for the doctors and this is truly reserved for who people they get sick because healthcare is very important to our life and also to our people. One of the issues, one, economic impact, limited access to the healthcare holds back economic growth. Health population is an inefficient population and shortage of access to medical care can cause reduced productivity, increase healthcare expenses, and reduce economic growth. Two, poverty directly affects healthcare accessibility with the population facing difficulties in paying for the bare essentials of food, shelter, and medicine. Healthcare conciliation, struggle, and loss of income due to illness also add to this problem. In this situation, ma'am, not all people in the Barangay Durugan they can buy a medicine because there are many people who are poor and not all people they have a job. That's why not all people can get care assistance.
Significant. Better health result, healthcare access enable people to obtain preventative care, early treatment and diagnosis and effective control chronic disease. It results in improved overall health, less disability, and longer life expectancy. Suffering and pain brought about by illness and injuries eat body and keep lives good.
About what he says that better health results is healthcare access enable people to obtain preventive care. So, both pasabot, provision of healthcare improves suffering and pain brought about by illness and injuries. It equips people with techniques to take charge of their bodies and keep lives good. So, kung sa may maayong buhaton para ma-prevent na to ang kasagara nga sakit like high blood, asthma, or isa pa nga sakit nga mga fever or dengue. So, pwede na ito na siya ma-prevent pinaagi sa exercise na hindi na mag-take o medicine.
So sa kuan po siya dayon, kada samtang gaka-feel pa nimo nga naa na kay pain nga ginabati sa imong body, so dapat kabalo na ka kung unsay first aid. Kabalo na ka kung unsay dapat nimo himuon. So samtang wala pa siya nilala, dapat kabalo na ka unsay imong likayan, unsa ang imong kanang dapat kaunon, or kanang likayan yun mo ang mga butang nga maka-trigger sa imong sakit.
The unique business concept. The unique its healthcare access is not just for doing business, but also for taking care of people health and care. Healthcare access is very important because it's not only a cure for dialysis, but also for maintaining the health of people and also for the development of the Filipino people.
The uniqueness of this healthcare access is this business is not only for business but also to care the people who get sick and also to concern with the Filipino people lives.
So sa kuan mangod siya diri pa ang health na hisgutan. Kung ang isa ka tawo magsakit, mura na kag mawad-an og kanang future bitaw kay lawas ra may puhunan. Mag-unsa man ang tanan kung nagsakit naman ka. Dayon wala pa gyud kay ikatambal sa imong pagalingon kay which is kulang ka sa pinansyal. So sa ingana nga situation is dapat before ta magsakit or before pa ta matakdan og sakit, kanang atuan ang ampingan ng atong lawas daan.
Kung sa pinadugang po nga magpasabot ang business concept, so pwede pumagi nga naay isa ka pharmacist, no, nga pwede sila matog kada barangay, mo conduct sila og free nga check-up sa matag barangay. So kani nga pamagi mas matabangan pa og boost ang usa ka healthcare center sa barangay. So moto.
Market analysis. Our market segment is the unserved barangay Lorogan population, and more particularly those who have no stable healthcare access and digital literacy to access. These include residents from poor households, seniors, and individuals with low level of education. The needs for affordable and accessible healthcare and telemedicine is immense in this barangay, as is evident in the scarcity of available healthcare resources. So sa diri manggod siya nga part sa example ani sa barangay Lorogan. So sa barangay Lorogan is kanang kulang siya sa mga supply, which is supply sa tambal. Ang mga tao dito is galisod kay gamay na ang sweldo. Gamay ang sweldo dayon daghan na ang nagkalisod sa kinabuhi kay sa tungod sa kapobrehon dayon wala pa gyoy supply sa tambal, which is kanang naglisod na gani ka sa imuhang pagkaon pa lang plus mupalit pa gyud ka og tambal kay walay sakto nga kanang medicine para sa anak nga komunidad. Operational plan. structure, operation and location, healthcare operation and supply chain management. This involve innovative techs offer a true thorough foundation in operations management and the strategic implementation of program. Our target is people in critical areas like in remote areas like barangay Lurugan, because not all stores are stocked with medicines, and it is very important that people in remote areas should have access to medicines or a supply with medicines. So, sa diri nga slides nagpakita ni siya diri nga naay operational plan. So, naay isa ka company nga willing mo supply sa tambal, which is ang chain management. So, willing sila muhatag og supply sa tambal sa barangay Lurugan. So, dili lang sa barangay Lurugan ang ilahang target. So, gapangita po sila og another nga location nga ilahang po nga matabangan.
Financial plan. The planned budget for our healthcare access business is 100,000, and we will use the 100,000 to purchase material for our business, such as the necessary chemicals and machines for dispensing medicine and laptops and internet connection for researching medicine for various types of disease. So, pinagi ani nga budget nga 100,000, dako kay ni siya nga tabang sa usa ka community. So, dili lang po ni siya ingon nga para lang sa medicine o maglisod po punta o mag-provide lang tag medicine niya usa may gamiton na to pinagi sa pag-check up sila ha. Di mo na pwede nga mogamit lang tag ikapo na to. So, kailangan niya po nga mogamit ta og modern technology. The estimate budget. Investment para sa laptop, ang budget namin is 13,000, and internet connection is 8,000, and vehicle is 30,000, and property land is 20,000, stakeholders 15,000, license permit 2,000, and monthly expenses, stakeholders 25,000, load of the internet connection 3,000, rent expenses 20,000, fuel for vehicle 2,000. The revenue model is daily sales, so 1,000 per box. Expected income every month 30,000.
Motion and recommendation. Society has working once not burden of health issues. There is need to find solution to the many disease and health individually, healthier lifestyle, individual needs and circumstances, variability and one-size fits all solution to all individuals. And these circumstances can develop in collaboration with these individuals. So, about sa mga topic mo is the personalized healthcare solution to the very needs and circumstances of individuals. So, important kasi yan lalo na sa mga citizens, mga disabled person, o sa mga children o mga newborn na children. So, importante kasi yan. About sa reference is research. Nanadali na ang mga paan.
So, the reference research is Ganaret and Wong from 2015, An Introduction to Healthcare Administrative Data, the Canadian Journal of Hospital Pharmacy. And we also locate them at website at doi.org. And also, Stasi is beta, Dikimfuta, G. Viera, Bessie Busins, and Creole B. From 2015 also, so improving financial access to healthcare in the Kisanto district in the Democratic Republic of Congo, acting upon complexity global health action. We also access this from UI.org. And the other reference is Diaz C. Sandlon, Abe Skeltron, Altenberg, Cardon, Chinapau, and D. Bourdieu Pucci, and Berloin. Justin, this is from 2019. Framework, principles, and recommendation for utilizing participatory methodologies in the creation and evaluation of public health intervention. Research of public health interventions, research involvement, and engagement. We also locate this from DUI.org.
And
That's
that's
all.
all.
Thank you.